I planted actually quite a bit, just mostly vegetables in my backyard. I guess I'm just looking for some advice on how to manage the weeds.
The only way to really do it is to get out there on a daily basis, wait till these things only get about a half inch or less, and then with a hoe, just chop them down or get down and literally pull them out by hand. Otherwise, if you were going to spray anything on there, the next thing that I would do, or I would jump up to, would probably be vinegar sprays. You take and you spray it, and it burns the leaf down, and it slows it and suppresses it. And the idea is that if you continually burn the leaf of a weed, it'll finally get tired underneath the root system, underneath the ground, and it'll die off on you.